Hello, Masplex homemakers! Here I am again, Nancy Reyes Lumen, and we are going to be doing a very creative session now. Maliban pa sa baking pans used for baking, which is actually for the love of baking, pwede rin natin for the love of not baking the same pans. And maraming ibang uses na pwede nating isipin, gawin. Here, you can suggestion na using your pans, your square pan. One thing na naisip namin, sometimes kasi minsan meron kayong mga cakes or breads or mga extra. What we found out is di ba merong uso ngayon na ice cream cake sa mga ibang mga ice cream stores. What you can do is pag may extra kayong ice cream, yan na mismo ang i-add nyo into the cake, and you have an instant ice cream bread pudding. Yan. So, hindi na kayo gagawa ng white sauce. Hindi na kayo gagawa ng mga creamy. Just buy your ice cream. Sometimes, nagdadagdag pa ako ng butter. Sometimes, dinadagdagan ko rin ng rum or brandy. Tapos, yan. So, na-extend nyo na yung ice cream. Nagamit nyo pa yung inyong bread. This one, this is now baked. Just goes to the freezer. Tapos, pag gusto nyo nang i-release, siguro a little warm knife. Cut along the sides, and pwede nyo nang iserve as ice cream cake. So, again, my dear homemakers, it's just a matter of trying to be very creative in what we do, making double uses or multi-uses of the pans that we have. Para hindi siya nag-iintay na i-bake. May sometimes yung iba, ayaw na nang gumamit ng oven. You can still use your pans to make many other dishes that are interesting and new. That's why, for the love of baking, we, Masplex homemakers, are very good in it. Right? Right.